Sorry for the late start, guys. Train just passing 4:50 11 to London Waterloo. Also just pulled in over on platform 1 as a train to London Waterloo as well. Waiting for the Alton bound train.
Due to earlier signalling problems at Walton on Thames. Please listen for
I'll be waiting for the Alton train. I'll film some more when the trains come through. Thanks guys, see you next week. Wait, no, it's going. Okay, never mind. Film that going out. At least I've got some decent videos out of this though. Sorry about the glare of the light as well. The lighting's really bad. But this is the best I can do.
1741 Southwest train service to Alton.
That's my train.
Approximately 10 minutes due to earlier signalling problems at Walton on Thames.
4:50, 5:50. To 4:50, 5:50 to 4:50, 0:37. When I get home as well, guys, I'll explain what's been going on today. So I'm waiting for the 1741 to Alton, expected 1752, and
delayed 1741 Southwest train service to Alton.
Following an earlier signalling problem between Surbiton and Woking, all lines between the stations have now reopened. However, train services running between the stations, which include the main line, West of England and Portsmouth services, have been considerably disrupted by this issue. Train services will be delayed by up to 80 minutes, cancelled or altered at short notice, until we can recover the train service. Details of any alterations made can be found.
Got a train coming around the corner. I was just leaving it rolling so you guys listen to the announcements.
For further information regarding train alterations, customers can use their Southwest Trains tickets on southern services, Great Western Railway services by any reasonable route, and cross-country between Reading and Bournemouth. I'm very sorry if any delay this has caused to your journey this afternoon.
We got.
The train now approaching platform 3 is the 1741 Southwest train service to Alton. Calling at West Byfleet, Woking, Brookwood, Ash Vale, Aldershot, Farnham, Bentley and
That's Bentley stopper, but I don't give a shit.
Due to a short platform
Come
at
on.
Bentley, customers for this station should join the front 6 coaches.
4:50, 0:39.
Platform 3.
4:50, 0:39 to 4:50, 0:05. It's only an 8.
Due to a short platform at Bentley, customers for this station should join the front 6 coaches.
Let's go see this video.